Welcome to my channel. Have you ever heard this question? Do you clean your body every day? Do you wash your face? Do you brush your teeth? Of course you do. Why? Because dirt builds up. Because you want to feel fresh and stay clean. Now think about your brain. Do you clean it? I don't mean with water or soap. I mean your thoughts. I mean your mind. Every day, your brain fills up with noise, stress, fear, and sometimes with lies. Maybe you hear these lies. You're not good enough. You can't learn English. You always make mistakes. You are too slow. If you hear these thoughts, then it's time to wash your brain. It's time to clean your mind. And not just once in a while, every single day. This is not a joke. It's serious. You take care of your body, so take care of your brain too. Your brain is your engine. It gives you power. It controls how you feel, what you believe, and how you learn. But when your brain is full of fear, you can't grow. When it's full of doubt, you can't speak. And when it's full of noise, you can't focus. So what's the answer? Wash your brain. Clean out the dirt. Clear away the lies. Speak the truth. Tell your brain what it needs to hear, not once a year, not once a month, but every single day. Let me show you how. It's simple. Just like brushing your teeth. You only need a few minutes, one quiet space, and your voice. That's it. The first step is to stop and pause. Close your eyes if you want. Take one deep breath. Now say this in your mind. I am learning English. Say it again, slowly. Feel the words. Say them with love. Step 2 is to speak the truth. Not fear, not lies. Say what you want to believe. For example, I make mistakes, but I learn. I speak English better every day. My English is improving. I can understand more now. I don't have to be perfect. These are the thoughts that clean your brain. This is brain soap. Step 3 is to let go of the noise. If you hear fear, just say, "Thank you, but I'm busy." If you hear doubt, say, "Not today." Don't fight with bad thoughts. Just replace them. Give your brain better food, healthy, positive food. Your brain listens to you. Every word you say, it hears. It believes you. So choose your words carefully. Don't say, "I'm stupid." Say, "I'm still learning." Don't say, "I can't do this." Say, "This is hard, but I'm trying." Don't say, "My English is bad." Say, "My English is growing." Every morning, wash your brain. Take 5 or 10 minutes. Look in the mirror. Say 3 true things. Say 3 kind things. Say 3 things you want to believe. And say them every day. Just like a shower. Just like brushing your teeth. It's not magic. It's daily practice. Your brain needs reminders. It needs kindness. It needs strength. And here's the best part. When your brain feels clean, you feel ready. You feel calm. You feel focused. You speak more. You smile more. You grow faster. So remember this. If you don't wash your brain, the world will. Social media will. Negative people will. Old fears will. And that dirt will grow. But when you wash your brain, you stay in control. You choose what to believe. You choose what to focus on. And that, my friend, is real power. It's simple, it's strong, and it works when you do it daily. You're doing great. Now let's go deeper. You know that washing your brain means cleaning your thoughts. You know it means choosing better words. But how do you make this a habit? How do you do it every day without stopping? That's what we'll talk about now. First, you must understand something important. Your brain repeats what you do. If you think negative thoughts again and again, your brain believes them. But if you think strong, clear, kind thoughts every day, your brain starts to believe those instead. That's why daily washing is powerful. You don't just say nice things once. You say them again and again until your brain feels clean and focused. So here's what you can do every morning. You wake up, you brush your teeth, you wash your face, and then you wash your brain. You stand in front of the mirror, you look at yourself, and you speak. You say things like, I can speak English. I'm learning more every day. I don't have to be perfect. I just need to keep going. These words go into your brain. They push out fear. They push out shame. They push out all the lies you've heard before. Now you may think, but this feels strange. That's okay. It feels strange because it's new. But new things can become normal, just like learning a new word. At first, it's hard, but after some time, it feels easy. The same is true with your thoughts. Be patient. Keep doing it. You can also wash your brain during the day. For example, when you make a mistake in English, what do you usually say to yourself? Do you say, I'm stupid? I can't do this? Stop right there. That's brain dirt. That's noise. That's trash. So what do? You pause. You clean it. You say, it's okay. Mistakes help me learn. I will try again. I'm still growing. These thoughts are like warm water. They wash away the dirt. You can also write your thoughts. This is another way to wash your brain. Every day, take a small notebook. Write 5 good thoughts. You can write the same thoughts again and again. That's okay. Repetition is good. Repetition is power. The more you write, the more your brain remembers. And here's something fun. You can also record your voice. Just press record on your phone. Say 5 strong sentences. Say them slowly. Say them with feeling. For example, I'm strong. I'm smart. I speak English with courage. I'm improving every day. I can understand more now. Now play the recording. Listen to your own voice. Listen again tomorrow. This is brainwashing in action. It's powerful, it's personal, and it works. Some people laugh at this idea. That's okay. Let them laugh. But you know the truth. You know your brain needs care. You know your brain needs focus. And you are learning to give it just that. Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for someone else to help you. You can help yourself. You can do it now. Now let me share a secret. Even native English speakers feel fear. Even fluent speakers feel nervous. But they don't stop. They talk. They try. They make mistakes. And they move on. You can do the same. But first, you must clean your thoughts. You must choose the voice you listen to. Do you listen to fear? Or do you listen to courage? So what will you do tomorrow morning? Will you check your phone first? Or will you check your thoughts? Will you scroll on social media? Or will you scroll through your mind and clean it? You decide. It's your mind. It's your brain. It's your choice. And if you ever feel tired, remember this. Washing your brain is not a big job. It's small. It's simple. Just 5 minutes a day. Just a few kind words. Just one deep breath. But those small things build up. Day by day, thought by thought. You start to feel stronger. You start to feel ready. You start to feel like, yes, I can speak English. That's the goal. That's the power of daily brainwashing. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to do everything. Just one small practice. Every day. And soon, your brain will change. Your thoughts will grow. And your English will shine. Let's finish strong. You've learned what it means to wash your brain. You've learned how to clean your thoughts. You've learned that small, kind words can help you grow. Now, let's talk about how to stay consistent. Because real change happens when you keep going. Not just once, not just for 1 week, but every day, again and again. So how do you keep going? How do you keep your brain clean every day? First, you need a system. Something simple, something easy. You don't need a big plan, just a small routine. For example, use a notebook. Write the days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Every day, write one line. What did you do today to wash your brain? Did you say 5 good sentences in the mirror? Did you listen to your own voice recording? Did you stop a bad thought and replace it with a good one? Write it down. One line is enough. When you see your progress, you feel proud. When you feel proud, you want to continue. That's how it works. Next, choose the best time for your brainwashing. Morning works well for many people. Your mind is fresh. You feel calm. You can set the tone for the whole day. But maybe you like nighttime better. That's fine too. Just choose one time. Keep it the same each day. Make it part of your routine, like brushing your teeth. When something becomes a habit, it feels easy. It doesn't take willpower. It just happens. Also, keep it short. You don't need 30 minutes. You don't need to read 10 pages. You don't need to say 50 sentences. Just 5 minutes is enough. Just one moment of focus. Just one moment of truth. That's how you train your brain. That's how you change your thoughts. Now let's talk about feelings. Sometimes you won't feel good. Sometimes you'll feel tired, or lazy, or sad, and your brain will say, skip it today. That's normal, but here's the secret. Do it anyway. Even if you feel tired, even if you feel down, just do it. Even just 1 minute, even just one sentence. When you do it on hard days, you build mental strength. That's when you grow the most. And remember, your brain listens to your actions, not just your feelings. If you say, I want to learn, but you don't practice, your brain gets confused. But if you say nothing and just take action, your brain learns. It learns to believe in you. So don't wait to feel ready. Just start. Just speak. just right. Just think one better thought. Here's another idea. Make it fun. Brainwashing should feel good. Choose things that make you smile. You can sing a short English song. You can watch a funny English video. You can read a happy story. Laughter is also good soap for your brain. It clears stress. It opens your mind. So don't make it hard. Don't make it boring. Keep it light. Keep it simple. And remember, your brain is your friend. It wants to help you, but it needs your help first. It needs your voice, your focus, your attention. Think of your brain like a garden. If you don't water it, weeds grow. But if you give it water every day, it grows flowers, beautiful ones. So speak good words, feed your brain good thoughts, remove the weeds, plant seeds of belief, and one day you'll see a strong, beautiful mind. Now let's put everything together. Each day, do one small thing. Say 5 good sentences. Write one positive thought. Listen to your voice. Stop one bad idea and replace it. It doesn't take much, but it works. It works over time, step by step. After 1 week, you will feel better. After 1 month, you will think better. After 1 year, you will be a different person. You will be stronger, calmer, smarter. Your English will improve, and your mind will be sharp. That's the power of daily brainwashing. You don't need to rush. You don't need to be perfect. Just be kind to your brain. Speak to it with love. Guide it every day, and it will take you where you want to go. You're doing something amazing. You are not only learning English, you are building a better mind, a stronger brain, a clear path. And this practice, this brainwashing, will help you with everything, not just English, but life. You'll be more focused, more calm, more confident. So today, right now, take one deep breath. Say something kind to yourself. Say, I can do this. Say, I am getting better. Say, I believe in me. That's your brain soap. That's your brain shower. You are ready. You are clean. You are strong. Keep going, my friend. Keep washing your brain every day. And soon, you won't just speak English. You will speak it with power, with peace, and with confidence.